Hi guys, welcome back to my unboxing video. Today we have got another unboxing to do. It is actually the Louis Vuitton purchase that I got. So I've already unboxed this. I took away the ribbon and I'm not going to open the flap like that because the bag is right over here. You can guess what it is by looking at the size. This is a Capucines, and this is not easy to get because this is the mother of pearl Capucines bag, and the strap is fully adjustable. In the other designs for Capucines, the straps are thicker, not adjustable, and not as proportionate to mini size as well, and that is why this is a highly sought after Capucines with adjustable strap and of a thinner breadth. So this is mother of pearl. As you can see, it is a full single piece mother of pearl being carved out in the LV logo, and the rest are mother of pearl as well. So this is my Capucines. If you love this kind of unboxing video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. Thanks guys.